Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I am your baby chef Muvva. Today we are going to show green chili chicken. Now let's start the recipe. Now take a pan, add some ghee. Now add some oil. Now add some green chili paste. Just fry for a moment. Now add some ginger garlic paste. Fry for a minute. Now add some onions. Now fry the onions. Now add some salt. Now add some turmeric. Now fry for a second. Now add some cumin powder. Now add some red chili powder. Now add some garam masala. Now add some dhania powder. Now fry everything. Now add chicken. Mix everything together. Now add some water. Just mix it up. Now cook chicken without lid. Now add some Nethili leaves. Now mix for a minute. After 15 to 20 minutes, slowly it's come dry. Now add some coriander leaves. Now just mix it up. Now add some lemon juice. Just mix it up. Green chili chicken is ready. Now take it in the serving plate. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe Grfoods. Bye bye friends. See you in the next video.